Okay, we are about to change the taillights in a 2012 Camaro, or the brake light or the turn signal. Here's what happens when you turn on the left turn signal. Works just fine. Here's the right turn signal. Starts speeding up, tells you that there's a problem. Okay. Okay, the first thing you need to do is buy yourself a number 3057 tail light. It cost at O'Reilly's $7.49. Okay, what you have to do is undo these three tabs here, here, and here, and you pry them loose with a screwdriver. Okay, don't let anybody tell you that these come right up like they're supposed to. I broke one of them, and it looks like this other one's broke. So, I'm gonna go get some pliers and pull it on up. Okay, that's the left turn signal. Okay, so we know it's this one. Okay, next thing we do is just lift this cover, reach in here behind here. Let's see, give this a little twist, and it pulls right out. Okay, then we'll just pull this light right out from this fixture. Okay, and it's burned up. Put it in there. Get a new light bulb out. Okay, here we have our new light bulb. Let's just stick it in there. There we go. Okay, we have the light bulb in the fixture. Let's just go turn the lights on and see if it's working. Turn the key on. And yes, it is working just like it's supposed to. So we'll just snap it on back into place. There we go. Then we put our cover back on. Take our little broken grommets, or pegs, or whatever they're called. Snap them in there. Alright, we should be good. That's it. Have a nice day.